is to make the highest end, most robust 3D printers on the planet. Disrupting the way that things are made is kind of what we're getting good at.
Up until now, we really haven't seen industrial 3D printers. We've seen desktop, we've seen big ones that kind of took desktop technology and scaled it up.
If your controller can't do what you're asking it to do, time and time again, day in and day out, you are always chasing your tail.
But we do want to set ourselves apart as being cutting edge. It's welded steel, it's precision machined on our in-house CNC so that we have a flat tolerance across the entire machine. We use ball screws and profiled linear rails, and then we add in those Yaskawa servos and controllers.
The machine is a lot more accurate now because it's not relying on step and direction for motion. It's actually using true servo control on the fly. It's leaps and bounds beyond where we were. We are seeing significant improvements in the print quality just by changing the brain, the controller.
We have more reliability by using this controller and having it interpret G-code.
The speeds, the feeds, how accurately and precisely we can control that is very critical in our solution space. And Yaskawa does deliver the precision, the control, the smoothness. We are very impressed with the smoothness.
The reason that we're still using Yaskawa products today, besides the fact that they're very fast and the service is great and support is great, is that we've never had one fail.